Samsung has officially started rolling out the One UI 8.5 beta, and a limited number of users can now try it. The update begins with the Galaxy S25 series and focuses on making everyday tasks easier, improving how Samsung devices work with each other, and adding new creative features. The rollout began on December 8, 2025, and users are already excited because several important features have been confirmed. Right now, the One UI 8.5 beta is available for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Samsung is releasing it in a few countries first, including the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, India, Korea, and Poland. Anyone who wants to check if they can join the beta can open the Samsung Members app and look for the beta notice. Unlike past updates that focused on visual changes or animations, this time Samsung is trying to make the Galaxy ecosystem feel more connected and convenient. Samsung says that One UI 8.5 is meant to boost productivity and improve how Samsung devices communicate with each other. Simply put, Samsung wants users to spend less time transferring files, switching apps, or dealing with cables. Whether you're using a Samsung phone, tablet, laptop, or even a TV, the goal is to make everything connect with less effort. The update brings a variety of improvements, but 5 major features clearly show what Samsung is aiming for. The first big feature is storage share. This is Samsung's solution to the long-standing problem of accessing files across different devices. Instead of moving files from your phone to a tablet or PC, storage share lets other Samsung devices signed into the same account access your phone's storage directly. This means you can view files on your phone from your Samsung PC, tablet, or even TV without copying or uploading anything. It works similarly to Apple's Continuity but covers more types of devices. For people who use multiple Samsung products, this feature will save a lot of time and make file access much easier. The second feature is audio broadcast, which uses the Auracast standard. With this feature, your phone can broadcast audio from its microphone to several Bluetooth LE audio devices around you at the same time. Your phone basically becomes a portable speaker system. This will help teachers, tour guides, event managers, or anyone who needs to speak to a group. It's not a feature everyone will use daily, but it adds new possibilities that most phones don't offer. The third feature is Photo Assist. Earlier versions of One UI created new copies of photos every time you edited them, which cluttered the gallery and wasted storage. Photo Assist fixes this problem by allowing continuous editing without saving multiple versions. This means fewer unwanted copies in your gallery and a simpler editing experience. It's a small change, but it makes everyday photo editing smoother and more efficient. The fourth upgrade is an improvement to Quick Share. Quick Share has always been a fast way to send files between Samsung devices, but now it's becoming smarter. One UI 8.5 can recognize faces in photos and suggest sharing those images with the people who appear in them. It also speeds up the transfer process and makes it more reliable. Instead of manually selecting contacts or devices, One UI handles more of the work automatically. The fifth major feature is theft protection, which adds something called failed authentication lock. If someone tries to unlock your device repeatedly with the wrong password or fails biometric login several times, the phone will lock itself completely. This provides extra protection in case your device gets stolen or someone tries to break into it. Samsung has been adding stronger security features over the years, and this one makes the phone more secure than before. These features might seem simple, but they make a big difference in daily use. Instead of focusing on fancy designs or animations, Samsung is adding improvements that help users save time, reduce hassle, and avoid unnecessary steps. For people who edit photos often, the new editing flow reduces clutter and storage problems. For those who own several Samsung devices, storage share and improved Quick Share make the ecosystem feel more natural and connected. Samsung's strategy with One UI 8.5 is clearly build a stronger Galaxy ecosystem. Many Galaxy users own more than one Samsung product, but until now, these devices didn't always feel like part of the same system. With features like storage share and smarter sharing tools, Samsung is trying to close the gap with companies like Apple, which has long dominated the ecosystem experience. Samsung is not simply copying Apple, though. Audio broadcast shows Samsung is also experimenting with new ideas that other brands don't offer. While not every feature will matter to every user, the goal is to make everyday tasks smoother and more automatic. When devices work seamlessly, users don't have to think about how things connect, the system handles it for them. The release of One UI 8.5 shows Samsung's focus on smarter tools, better connections, and user-friendly automation. Those who own eligible devices can join the beta today and explore these features before the stable version rolls out to everyone.